to you know respond in a certain way. That stimulus, that force, that energy is the wave over here. So that is the fundamental difference between wave and particle. So let's now start with study of light as a ray and wave, that when it behaves as a ray and when it behaves as a wave. So light behaves as a ray, or it travels in a straight line, or it is made up of particles when the size of the obstacle is very large as compared to the wavelength of the light. Then it seems like light travels in a straight line and behave as a ray. You can see the shadow formed when something is put in the path of light. You must have done some experiments in class 9th in which you observe a candle from a pinhole, and if something is placed between the pinhole and the candle, then you don't see the flame of the candle, which proves that the light travels in a straight line as per the example is concerned. But if you decrease the size of the aperture, then something phenomenal happens. There is a bending of light and departure from the straight line behavior. As you must have seen that light bends at the corner, and that bending can be explained by the wave nature of light. So light behaves as a wave when size of obstacle is comparable to the wavelength of the light. We can demonstrate using these two examples. Now let's start with the ray. What is a ray? So ray is a directed line segment which shows the direction of propagation of light. These are our three types: converging rays, diverging rays, parallel rays. For virtual object and real image, we have converging rays. Converging means distance between them decreases as we move ahead. Then diverging rays. Diverging rays corresponds to real object and virtual image. And parallel rays, which corresponds to object and image at infinity.